Yeah. We got Tuxedo, Bad Hemi, my boy Mod the Fame. We got King in the building. We got the Shelby in the house. That boy Mod the Fame pulling up. Yes, sir. What y'all think? What y'all think?
Hey, I'm gonna call you. I got your car, bro.
For sure, my dog. I appreciate it, bro. We out here today, ladies and gentlemen. That's as far as you gonna get, homie. Yes, sir. Trying to get some filming in myself, my boy. This shit is crazy out here, dog. I told him Atlanta gonna rip. Exactly, bro. I told him Atlanta gonna rip strong, bro.
The city showed out.
What? Free smoke. Oh, they gonna start doing it? Shit, that's why I told him we gonna shut Terra down, boy. We gonna shut Terra all the way down. Exactly, And we got all of Atlanta out here repping strong today, boy. Yes, sir. What's up, man? What's going on with you? We got the tacos going crazy over here. Yes, sir. Show y'all what we got out here, man. How we kicking shit today. For the motherfucking culture. What's up, homie? What's going on with you? It's for the culture out here, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, sir. How you doing? How you doing? What's up, homie? Hey, it's open over there too. It's open at the top. God damn! They smoked that shit out for there. Dream Motorsports, we out here, baby. Shout out all of Atlanta, man. Real. He's not in the club.
y'all better not give up on him. Y'all better not give up on him. He gonna do something stupid in a minute. Told you what I tell you. Don't give up on him. That nigga is retarded.
Told you we was gonna have a little something. A little get together. Oh, which one? The purple one? Oh, the gray one. As long as they ain't do it by Mr. Stewart shit. Oh no! Don't tell me that.
But the tires blew off.
Was it my boy that was right here? Damn, he just got that shit. Yo. He just got that fucking whip, bro. Don't tell me it was my boy.
He's finna go viral now.
Damn, no. Mr. Stewart, he literally just told me, was telling me excited how he just got the car. Yep.
I told you.
Oh. Hey, we'll have you a tire tomorrow, my dog. Don't even worry about that shit. And a bumper, god damn.
Yep.
Hey, you good, you good.
Hey, you know what? You was set.
Hey, you straight though.
You was set. I don't give a fuck.
You straight. Yeah, I know, I already talked to him. I see your crazy ass, nigga. I see your crazy ass, nigga. I see he crazy ass. Man. Hey, man.
Now you see why.
Hey, man. We just trying to put Atlanta on the map, dog. We just trying to let them know what's going on over here, man.
Hey,
this everyday shit.
Hey, that's why I always gonna get tired
tomorrow.
of. I always gonna get tired of. I burn them bitches out.
Yeah.
You got the new customers.
Yeah, I got them. Yeah. I'll get them right tomorrow.
It's crazy because he just told
He just was telling me how he got the car,
He just
bro.
got the car because
Excited as fuck, bro.
Messed it up.
Damn. It's all good, though. Hey, we'll have you a tire tomorrow, my dog. Don't even worry about that shit. And a bumper, god damn. Yep. I gotta take a video of how there's people even next door. What's up, homie? What's up, cuzzo? Man, I know y'all was trying to talk to me, but I was freaking dealing with a whole bunch of shit, nigga. Left and right. Yes, sir. How you doing?
Hold on, I want to go over there. Big Key.
Everybody is waiting for the thing.
Yeah. Who? For the, huh?
The week. Everybody's waiting for him.
Oh, yeah? My boy AD in the house. Jesus. Yes, sir, we out of here. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What type of vehicle you got?
Most like a Jetta 2016.
Jetta? We could probably just charge like $380 for that car. Yeah, if you got all the springs and everything. Well, it's legendary already, nigga. Nigga, the old show we did only filled up that, and not even my grandfather's side. My dog! My dog. Oh yeah, for sure. I'ma hit you up. Oh yeah, boy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Where he at? Where he at? Uh-oh. I think he finna do it again. Uh-oh. They got a routine. They got a routine. They got like the fighter jets. Oh, they is them. For everybody tuning in, man, we had the pop-up meet for Dreams Elite Motorsports. It's Import Alliance weekend, man, so we had to do a little something. Get something going. You know, we got the Shelby just chilling. It's always gonna be around. You got everybody chilling over there. Getting the parking lot lit up. Mr. Bulldog, owner of Bulldog Camaro. We out here. What's up, homie? What's going on with you, dog?
Boy got the goddamn epilepsy monster.
Yeah, just had to bring it out. What's up, homie? What's going on with you, dog? Just a little something. Early shit. My boy Joker, my bad, bro. I ain't mean to get in the way. My boy Joker in this bit. Early shit. It's a nice little turnout, man. Some early shit. We gonna get some crazy shit going a little later. We got them boys rolling in now. What's up, dog? Q in the motherfucking building. Oh, yeah, what's up, dog? Yes, sir. Oh, shit. I see head turners. Checking in this motherfucker. What's up, dog? What's going on with you, bro? Everything good? Yes, sir. First gens matter. They do matter. Got a clean night rider on there. What's up, homie? See that shit from across the motherfucking parking lot right there. You good? Peace out. First Friday Night Lights, ladies and gentlemen. Tell you, them tacos is delicious. Yo, what's up, my boy? Back up. Hell yeah. Next up. I'm dead. Oh, good job.